Let's make a fall sign to put on our front porch. So this is a piece of scrap wood I had. It actually came from a farmhouse table that I had made. So when I looked at it, I said, I think I can make me a sign down of that. So I got some of my paint together and needed to paint it. And my thought was this would be great to put on the front porch. Once this paint dries, I'll take it into my craft room and begin to work on the letters. And I will be using my Silhouette Cameo 3 to create the letters. So I need to measure each block to know how large my letters can be to fit on there. And you know, I'm just using regular contact paper. I use a white contact paper and a clear contact paper to put this on. But before I started with the black paint, I was super concerned that that black would bleed onto the wood. So I grabbed some of my Mod Podge and put on there to seal it, so when I put the black on that it wouldn't bleed into the wood. And because I really wanted those crisp lines on the sign, and it worked out that the Mod Podge helped tremendously. So I don't even think I had to do any touch-up work on it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and see more of my videos, and I would be so thankful and so grateful for it. Thank you.